This demo shows how the Production Readiness Workspace identifies and prioritizes work definition gaps, recommends precise corrections, and synchronizes manufacturing changes to reduce startup errors and accelerate production readiness. Marie, a production engineer responsible for keeping work definitions aligned with active work orders, opens the Production Readiness Workspace and sees an AI-generated summary of the product updates and work definition gaps that need attention. To keep engineering changes aligned with manufacturing execution, Marie opens the Product Updates Advisor. The advisor monitors newly approved change orders, identifies the affected work definitions, and prepares item structure updates so manufacturing data stays synchronized and production ready. Marie can propagate the change to the work definition and to active work orders that depend on it. Next, Marie reviews the readiness gaps that could create setup errors or delay production. The workspace highlights missing components, resources, and allocations, then ranks each gap by its impact on active work orders. The agent recommends a precise correction to resolve the gap and improve production readiness. With the correction applied, the workspace prepares the work definition for synchronization with production processes. Moving on, Marie reviews improvement opportunities based on historical work execution data. The advisor compares actual material and resource consumption with planned usage and recommends updates to the work definition. Marie can use that context to decide which improvement should be applied and propagated to in-flight work orders. The Production Readiness Workspace transforms work definition gaps into prioritized actions, improves readiness, and reduces production errors. Production engineers like Marie can accelerate readiness for production operations with clearer priorities, fewer setup errors, and faster correction cycles.